Hello and welcome to this tutorial of SmartVitiNet. We're going to take a quick tour of the platform to give you an idea of what kind of functionalities and information you can expect from the portal. So let's take a quick look. This is the page that you arrive on when you first get to the portal. You can see up here at the top, you have a link to the project website. You also have a link to news in our LinkedIn page. You also have a contact form in case you have any problems. Do not hesitate to contact us here. And lastly, you have a link to the portal. On the same home page, you have the same link here, online portal, and you also have a link to the Competence Center. So, to get started with SmartVitiNet, you click on the online portal. If you need to register as a new user, you can do so here, clicking the register button as I just did. You fill out the necessary information, so your email, a password, your first and last name, your country or city, and whatever affiliation you have. And you also agree to the terms and conditions. You'll then receive an email. Don't forget to check your spam folder. That you'll need to use to confirm your inscription. Afterwards, someone from the SmartVitiNet team will contact you about setting up your account further. But I already have an account, so I'm going to put that in and connect. So when you arrive in the portal for SmartVitiNet, you can see some vineyards marked on the map. We have some in Portugal, some in France, and we also have some in Greece over here, as well as in Cyprus. You can also see a list of the vineyards to which you have access over on the right just by clicking My Vineyards. So let's take one as an example. When you click on the vineyard, you'll go directly to the vineyard. You can see the outline of the parcel on the map, and you have access to different data. You have satellite data, where we have three indexes here. We have Enhanced Vegetation Index, Moisture Stress Index, and Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. So we'll take one index as an example, the Enhanced Vegetation Index. As you can see, there are slightly different green colors according to the value that you see. You can also examine the latitude and longitude. You can also filter values. So you can say what range of values interest you and filter out the other cells in the parcel. You also have an average of the parcel. So that takes the values of all the parcels, or all the cells in the parcel, and makes a average of those values. You also have a message about how much of the vineyard is missing coverage, and that depends on various factors such as cloud coverage, weather, the positioning of the satellite when it passed over. You also have a quick description of the index that you have selected. So higher values means more vitality, and the values range from -1 to +1. So here we selected one date. You can also select a range of dates. When you select a date, you'll notice that some areas are gray, which means that those dates are not selectable. That means the satellite did not pass those days. Other dates are red, which means that the satellite passed, but unfortunately we were not able to get any meaningful information that day. And then we have the black dates, which are the dates that are truly selectable. So let's take from January 31st. Let's see if we have too much cloud coverage or not, to the 18th. here, it has taken the information for all of those days and it has composited it together as an average of those times. So what we're seeing on the map here is an average of those dates that we've chosen. Uh, Once again, we can filter the values. We can also see how the average for each day separately has evolved over time. So we can see of the 3 dates that are in our selection, it started at an average of 0.29, got a little bit higher, and then went back down to 0.29. In addition, we're working on alerts to let people know that different conditions are coming that might advise them on how best to tend to their parcel. For select vineyards, we also have access to weather stations. So let me see. I believe that our Greece weather stations, or Greece parcels, sorry, have weather stations. So if we click on weather, we can see what that weather station is telling us right now at the very moment. This is live information. So we have even the battery level of the weather station to make sure that it's not about to go down. We also have some of the latest readings for the same live readings that we have. And we can also go to the station, which is marked here on the map with a marker here. So weather station number 381. We also have access to drone analysis results. This is something that we are currently working on developing, but it allows you to upload data from a drone that will fly over the parcel. So the drone makes its flight over the parcel. It takes pictures, and then you can click here, upload raw data, to upload those pictures. So you would select the vineyard in question, you would add the date and time that it was taken, and then you select your photos here. Those would upload. I'm not going to do that right now because it takes a minute, but we can see what kind of results that would give. So here we have a list of different results. We have WS for water stress, and we have D for disease. So if we click on a water stress analysis, we can see over this part of the parcel here, we can see an analysis of the water stress, with red being the areas that might need some kind of attention. So we can see that there's a bit here, and we can also put the pointer over those points to see the latitude and longitude of that exact point that needs attention. These are the main functionalities of SmartVitiNet. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, of course, please don't hesitate to use the contact form to let us know.